Stop by and take a look at the 2019 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.